TVU Channel makes it easy to include crawls. To add and execute a native text crawl in TVU Channel, first click Playout at the top of the window. In the right panel, click the gear icon in the crawl pane. In the crawl pop-up window, click Add. Enter an overlay name in the field. Then, in the Content field, enter your text for your crawl. In the Typography drop-down menu, select a text style and select any desired effects. In the Text Direction drop-down menu, make a selection. Click the Save button. Then to confirm your setting, click the Yes button. Finally, to enable the ticker, move the crawl slider to the right. To edit a text crawl, first in the right panel, click the gear icon in the crawl pane. Then in the crawl pop-up window, hover the mouse over the text ticker box and select the edit icon. The default setting panel opens. Then edit your text or desired parameters. Click the Save button. Then to confirm your setting by clicking the Yes button. Finally, to enable the ticker, move the crawl slider to the right.